Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, last working day, January the 19th, 2024. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. In these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And the first one I will do is the 3 Stars Sudoku. Yeah, the 3 Stars Sudoku. Well, 3 Stars Sudoku. Let me position the camera first. Having troubles with the tripod. Wow. Having trouble with the tripod. Okay. Well, this one will be number 7831. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28. Should be an easy one, because usually the 3 stars Sudoku has 25 printed digits. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. With 25 printed digits, this one has 28. Should be a 0 stars. A 1 star is 27, 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, and for 0 stars you need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Oh, we have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. 8, okay. 8. Yeah, 8. Well, 4. 5. Need a 5 here, need a 7 there. Need a 4 here. Come on. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 2. Need to wait. We have a pair. The 1 and the 7 in this row. The 1 and the 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Two missing numbers now in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2. 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 9. Okay, and now 5 in the last row, 5 in a row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. All right. Now I can continue with 8. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Well. How about the 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Alright. And now, let me see. We have here the 4 in the last column, the 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. The 4 in this column, the 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. 4, 4. 4. Cannot continue with the 4. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 in the second row, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. Alright, and now let me think. How about the number? 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 and 9 in the third column, so no 7 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. Alright. Okay. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third column. For number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Can I continue with the 4? Yeah. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the Fours are used. I can see digit number 4, number 4. All right. One. No. 7, 9, and a 1. Need a 1 here. Okay, and now. How about the number? These two missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then 7, 9, and the 2. Well. Need a 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, and look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this row. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. So now I can continue with the 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this column, the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 7 and a 9, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Well. 1 box left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 now in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the first row, so no row between. The middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. 3 and 9, we have a 3 now in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square, same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 30 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 40 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one here, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute. Bye bye for now.